In this video, I will be showing you how to zoom in and out on YouTube with Chrome. Let's get started. First, I open up Google Chrome on my computer. Once the browser opens and the main Google search page appears, I navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on the 3 vertical dots to open the main Chrome settings menu. From the drop-down menu options, I locate the zoom setting. Next to the zoom label, you can see the current zoom percentage as well as a minus sign and a plus sign. To zoom out, I click on the minus button. As I click it repeatedly, the screen scale shrinks, bringing the zoom level down to 80%, then 70%, and down to 50%. To zoom back in, I click the plus button on the right side. Each click increases the zoom percentage, moving it back up through 80%, 100%, and all the way up to 250% to magnify the page view. Once I am done testing the menu controls, I click on the minus button again to bring the zoom level back to 100% default scale and then click anywhere on the page to close the menu. Alternatively, you can also use keyboard shortcuts to adjust your view quickly without opening the settings menu. By pressing Ctrl and the minus key on your keyboard, you can step down the display scale to 90%, 75%, 67%, or 50%. If you want to return to the original default view instantly, you can click the reset button on the pop-up bar that appears in the address bar, or press Ctrl and 0. And that is how you can easily zoom in and out while browsing on Google Chrome. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.